am I dating someone? That was my last text, which was, yeah, interesting, to say the least. I have met one YouTuber, and I will admit, like, I kind of didn't become a fan after I met that person. Okay, so, hi. Hi, how are you? I'm gonna wax the makeup on, answer your spill the tea questions. If you're wondering about my top that I'm wearing today, love it. Pretty Little Things, I'll link it down below. I've already done my brows with my Benefit Precisely My Brow. I love this. I'm actually going to go in with my eyes. I'm just grabbing my my usual Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer Brush. Love this. So I'm actually going to take this from NYX. Thanks NYX for sending me this. You are absolute babes. This looks so pretty. I went on the gram to ask some questions, and I've actually got my phone here with all of your spillity questions. So I'm actually going to get in with it. Get in with it. Ooh. I'm actually going to get on with it. So I'm just going to pack this. Just pack it on the outer corner. Oh, hello. So someone actually asked me, tell me your most funniest and awkward situation. It happened last year at an event. It was actually with a brand called Pinky Goat. Now, I actually love Pinky Goat, as you know. I feel like they have a bit of a special place in my heart because it was one of my first brands. They invited me to an event and they were just so lovely. And the owner of Pinky Goat, Maha, she is such a beautiful woman, like gorgeous soul, love her. So yeah, big thing to be going to a big beauty event. I think I was on like Prosecco, dropped my glass of champagne all over the floor in front of everyone. And like the first time wasn't as bad, and then it was like fine, he cleaned up, and I felt really bad. Then I went and did it again for the second time. I was talking, but you know when you talk and you kind of go a bit fuzzy headed, that was me. And I've gone and dropped it all over the floor and smashed it everywhere. And like my mum was giving me looks to kill. Like it doesn't help as well because I also was holding like a massive glass, and me holding huge glasses is not a good mix because I am bound to drop them. But yeah, that was my most embarrassing moment considering it was my first event and I made a complete utter fool of myself. Pack this on the outer corner. This is genuinely what I love doing at the minute. I am so gutted because I have just recently run out of my Benefit eyeliner, my black one, the roller liner. This was again sent to me and I'm not really sure what this brand is, but it's a really good eyeliner. Basically the tip on this is really good. It doesn't drag, gives a good flick, which I love. You know me, I'm eyeliner, it's my signature look. So another question that I actually got asked, which I thought was pretty like interesting, it's basically how much morphine do you take a day? So morphine, I actually take 2.5, but I take it 4 times a day, and sometimes when my pain's really bad I take double, and even that doesn't even help. All on the news at the minute is basically it's not good for you at all. Like, I cannot live without morphine, and I know it's very addictive and it's not good. It's on the news at the minute saying that it's a really bad drug to be addicted to, and yeah, it's a bit of a mess. That is a fine wing, I must say. When I wear a wing liner, I feel so strong and like empowered. That sounds so sad, I'm sorry. The mascara that I'm actually going to be using today is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Lash Multiplying Mascara. This is what everybody loves.
I swear I'm broken.
So for lashes today, I'm actually going in with the Lilly Lashes in Ella. Oh my god, these lashes are everything. This is we love the sound of our voice make. Now it's echo chambers getting loud. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Ole Henrikson Banana Bright Primer. This is so good. And I'm actually going to go in with the matching eye cream. This is so good, smells amazing. The skincare range is insane. It's sold at Boots. Definitely check it out, I love it. So someone actually asked me, are there any other tattoos planned? Now, you guys know I already have 2 tattoos. I have this one here, and then I actually have another tattoo on this arm right here, and it's like an incomplete heart. And the weird thing is, I actually had a dream the other night about getting 2 tattoos, and I think I had a tattoo on my thigh in the dream, Like, oh my god. So I said to my mum, I was like, that's a sign. It's a sign that I need a tattoo on my thigh. Tattoos that I actually want and not ones that are in my dream. I actually really want to get another tattoo on this arm. So this arm is quite plain at the minute, and I'll maybe want to get either a rose on it, an outline of a rose but with thorns. I don't know why, but I think I really like the idea. And then another tattoo that I really want is on my thigh, which is probably why I dreamt about it. I really want finger tattoos. I want 2 dots on the end of like where my cuticles are. That's all I want. I know you shouldn't taste this primer, but when I've licked my fingers after using it, it tastes really good. One person that I really would love to do my tattoos is G Hawks. So if you don't know her, I'll pop her up on the screen. G Hawks is a tattoo artist in Brighton, and she's so incredible at her work. For a start, we both share the same name, like the nickname. Like, I'm J, she's J. Her tattoos are amazing, and I need her to tattoo me. Hopefully, I'm gonna get them soon because I want them before my 21st, because hello, I feel like tattoos definitely give me confidence. I find them really interesting, and everyone's got a story to tell with tattoos. And for foundation, I've actually been loving the Nars, the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. It's in the shade Salzburg. I actually love wearing this primer on its own when I wear no makeup. Then another question was, do you ever feel tempted to get fillers or Botox? I actually don't have anything against people who have fillers or Botox. If it makes you feel better, definitely get it. If you're getting it for a trend, don't do it. I will admit, I am thinking of, I hate saying this and I'm scared to say it because I feel like YouTube can be quite a harsh place and it can be quite judgmental sometimes. So if you don't agree with what I'm going to say, just keep in mind that it's personal. I'm quite conscious of my lips, so my lips are very baby-like because we all know that I'm very small, so I've got very baby-like features. It annoys me quite a lot and I'm quite conscious of it. So I am currently thinking of getting very subtle lip fillers. I've been doing my research and I've actually found a place right near me in Manchester. It's actually called Elegance Aesthetics, I think, and no word of a lie, their work is incredible. Yeah, I just want to say this foundation from Nars as well is so long lasting. I wore this all day and it doesn't move. It's so blendable, like it's flawless. It gives you a lovely finish. It lasts all day. Do you have a crush on another YouTuber? Wow, okay, we're getting a bit saucy, spilling the tea. No, I actually don't. That's the sad reality of it. I am not date worthy because I don't think I am. It's so hard as well because, not gonna lie, it would have to be someone who gets my job or does a job like this. But you know, single Pringle over here. You don't seem to drink much alcohol. Why? P.S. I'm Irish and I don't judge, just curious. Okay, so this is really funny because I do drink quite a lot. Like, I feel like I don't share it that much on camera, but I do actually drink, like a Malibu, or I love drinking cider, love a good cocktail. Porn star martini, hi. I'm just going in with Fenty Beauty Truffle matchstick with my foundation brush, and I'm just blending all that in. Oh, I like this one. What do you think about disability on media? So I actually did a tweet the other day about disability, like how you don't ever see it enough. You don't see disability on magazines, you don't see disability clothing websites, you don't see it. If it is on there, it's only there for like a limited amount of time. And also like red carpets, you don't actually see anybody, no celebrity who's famous on a red carpet, or anyone who gets invited. It's quite sad. Like, I would love to see someone in a wheelchair. I'd be like, oh my god, yeah. That's the reason at the minute that I want to turn my platform into a place that's more inspiring, and when you come to my YouTube or my Instagram, you come away from it feeling confident and giving people that positive booster and making people feel like proud of who they are and their bodies, because everybody is beautiful no matter what your shape, your size, your colour, everything. You are beautiful. Wow, that got a bit deep, didn't it? Benefit Hula Bonza. So my next question is, What was the last text you sent? Sent was to Jordan. This is going to be so weird. Okay, so Jordan was someone that I met at Big Beard Out, and he's a YouTuber and an Instagrammer. We basically did like a collab with another girl called Chloe. He texted me saying that uni lad didn't reply to him, and basically it's a little funny inside joke. He's so lovely. He does covers online. He's an amazing singer. He does covers. He's got a beauty account. Go follow him. He's such a lovely friend. Oh, I've got such a good question. Have you met any YouTubers that you didn't like in person? I have met one YouTuber, and I will admit, like, I kind of didn't become a fan after I met that person, and I'm just going to put it straight. Anastasia, Saf, Haz, Byron, like Jordan Lipscomb, Steph, Jamie. Oh my god, there's so many big YouTubers and Instagrammers that I've met, and I genuinely am like friends with them. They're so lovely. Oh, again, you guys are so bad. What YouTuber will you not watch or dislike watching? Oh my god, I genuinely can't even say. I just don't want to be that bitch, you know what I mean? But yeah, I do have like a YouTuber who I used to watch and I don't watch anymore, just because after meeting them in real life, my opinions changed. Have you had an unpleasant experience with a fan? I've never had one bad experience with a fan. You are angels. You are actual angels. I love you so much. Oh, I like this one. Would you ever start a clothing line? Now, I am so into my fashion. I'm really, really interested in it. Really try and stand out. But the one thing that is a dream of mine is I would love to be behind a underwear brand. So a collab maybe, or my own design. I'm not even that bothered. I would just love to have my own lingerie underwear line. It's been my dream, just because for years and years I've struggled to get really nice underwear, and now that I've found my favourite, which I'm not gonna lie, my favourites are lounge because they fit me so well. When I wear lounge, I feel so empowered and really confident, and that's what I love about underwear, to empower women and feel confident without having to, you know, put a load of makeup on and things like that. Like, yes, I would love to create my own lingerie or underwear brand. I'm not bothered, I'm just excited. Hopefully one day. I'm gonna go in with lips, and I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trendsetter. To finish off my lips, I'm actually gonna be using Huda Beauty's liquid eyeshadow, the one that's in Double Pump Latte. Wow, I love that. Alright, so that is it. Everything I have used in the video will be linked in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Thank you so much for the love recently. This little family is now growing into a big family. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Now it's like a weight lift. It's good, isn't it?
Smelling it. Like Bristol gravy thing.